Hello. Yeah, these are demo classes. Don't worry. Okay, anybody not attending previous class also don't worry. Just one or two demo classes I will tell you. After that one, we are starting regular sessions. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Just observe it here. What is going on? What I am telling in a previous class, small concept I am telling. Oracle is a product, popular product from Oracle Corporation. That is a database product. This is 19C is a version number. What is the purpose of these database products means to store data permanently in secondary storage devices like this. Okay, structured collection of data. Already I told no. If you want to operate a what data in these databases, then we are using SQL, PL SQL, and dynamic SQL languages, and also small introduction part SQL plus tool. Already we are discussing. Okay. Next, slowly observe it here. Suppose you are learning, so many fellows are learning courses, either Java, either Python, either .NET, either Oracle, either SQL Server, any courses they are learning. But unfortunately, how they are applying award jobs, where those courses are helpful, so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. Okay, experienced persons have an idea. Today I will tell you, suppose whenever you are learning this course, developer course, this is a developer, not a DBA, developer course. You are learning Oracle, what type of opportunities are available in a software industry? What type of jobs you are applying a what in a industry side? Otherwise, which type of persons, which type of software engineers learning about this course in a worldwide? According to my knowledge, I will tell you. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Then only subject I will tell you. That's better. Now check it out. What type of jobs purpose Oracle their learning means concentrate. Suppose, according to my experience, so many fellows are passed out in a way 2023 or 24 latest 24 or 22 also. Okay, observe it here. Latest programmers that is recently passed out. Those persons maybe in this recent period they are afraid only. Okay, we want to get a job very fastly means then they decided more opportunities are there in a where which languages those languages they are learning only technical programmers. Suppose maybe my experience based I will tell you most of the 80% of the students 2024 passed outs or 2023 passed outs, those persons are whatever latest technologies are there, those things they are interested. Python, otherwise olden days technology, Java, these are more opportunities are there. No? Again, .NET, again, PHP, these type of languages they are learning only most of the time. Okay, now to recently passed out because more opportunities are there, fresher level also opportunities are there in a future careers are good. Okay, because these are programming languages. Okay, now, but unfortunately, these most of the programming languages are was used to implement web-based applications. Suppose Java side, Python side, .NET side, PHP side, they are implementing a what? Web-based applications. Web-based applications. In this one, observe it here, slowly observe it here. Whenever they are developing a what? Web-based applications, 100%, minimum knowledge is required in a database. Minimum knowledge is required in a database. That's why so many fellows are they are preferring a what? Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL. Most of the programmers preferring Java means as especially Oracle, Python means especially Oracle, .NET means SQL Server they are preferring. Because these persons are minimum basic knowledge in a where in a Oracle side, basic SQL knowledge is required, comma, PLSQL is there, no, in that one, stored procedures are there, compulsory they are learning. Stored procedure, mandatory to learn. That's why anybody attending a what interview side, Java, Python, these type of courses, .NET, these courses they are learning also. Interviewer 100% asking minimum basic queries. Write a query to display entire salary employee. Write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table. Write a query to display second highest salary employee. Why they are asking common question means minimum basic is knowledge is required. Again, why we are learning about this stored procedure PLSQL concept in every Java, Python, PHP, okay, .NET, these type of languages side. Reason is there. Now check it out. Actually, improve performance of the application side. Suppose you are a Java developer. You are working in a JDBC. In this one, here in a real-time project side, here database side, stored procedures. Some procedures they are writing only. What is the purpose? What is that one regular session side? I will tell you create or replace procedure, procedure name like this in a database side. They are using only. Here a in parameter, out parameter, so output parameters they are using only. But don't worry. In a database side. Here they are writing a code. Now in a this procedure name they are calling in a where callable statement in a prepared call in a where in a Java. In execute non-query is there in a .NET like that. They're calling only in a prepared call, callable statement side. Here this procedure they're calling. But this person sending a what? A data. This front-end developer sending a data into where? In this database means always, suppose a bank account number, for example. One account number they're sending only, for example. Okay, in this procedure, in this front-end through. Now, whenever they're sending this data is received by this in parameter. Now, suppose here bank account number 1001 in a bank application like this. This data here where the about 1001 is there, that okay, account holder name and account holder balance. These all the details are stored in out parameter. These out parameters are sending a what again a data as a table data into where here front end applications. In this front-end applications only, they are displaying a what this data. Here, they are using a what out parameters in a real-time project side. Here, they are using a what in parameter. That's why these type of applications 100% is available in a web-based applications. 100%. That's why this PLSQL stored procedure, TSQL stored procedure, MySQL stored procedure must familiar. That's why so many fellows are without any interested to get a job in a where Oracle or SQL Server, MySQL also, they are learning. Why means this is the reason. Suppose if anybody, your colleagues, your relatives are working in a where Java side, Python side, you have to ask questions. Database is mandatory. Yes, they're telling like that. Okay, yeah. Why? Because minimum basic is knowledge is required because we are using in a project side this situation, that situation, they're telling only. That's why learners also, front-end developers also, not working in a database also. Yes, these front-end developers, web-based application who are implementing in a real-time project side or outside dummy projects you are doing also. Freelancer also not a problem. And a minimum basic knowledge is required in a database, in a Oracle or SQL Server. In that one, basic SQL stored procedure. These type of persons first preference they are learning only because latest 2024 like that. Suppose second type of persons, suppose some fellows are passed out in a 2021, still they are unable to get a job, maybe any reasons we don't know, either personal reasons, otherwise maybe any problem is there or anything. 2022 some fellows are passed out, 2023 some fellows are passed out, they are unable to get a job maybe, but they are interested in a where technology side. Those persons side I'm giving a suggestions. So now here in a Google you have to type it, PLSQL developer jobs are there. They doesn't want in a more coding, but they are interested in a technology. So now here PLSQL developer jobs are there. In that case, Java coding is not required, C++ coding is not required, Python coding is not coding. They doesn't want to interested, but they are interested in technology means best jobs means PLSQL developer jobs. 2021, 23, 22 pass outs. Because why I'm telling like that means 2+ years or 3 years gap is there means calls are there. Okay, in a net only you are observing. Little bit of Unix required, but not a problem that one. Now here PLSQL developers, this is a job is there. Now actually these persons also learning about basic SQL enough. Everywhere basic SQL queries writing plus strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Enough. In our class, whatever content is there, they are learning means easily getting a job. Okay, these persons also learning a what course here, this Oracle developer course. Again, another type of person. Suppose some persons are maybe recently married only. Okay, for example, 2 years after academic career completing course, 2 years gap is there. For example, 1 year gap is there, but they want a job because nowadays more expenses on the outside surveying is very difficult only. That's why they want more money. Single person job means difficult. Okay, that's why maybe salaried employees means both the wife and husband also they want to get a okay, job very easy way, and also work from home available. That's why maybe they are interested. So many fellows are. Those persons are, according to my experience, they are choosing a what? Simple tools. Tools they are choosing only. Data warehousing tools are there. Maybe academic career side, little bit of coding, they have an idea. That's why their easy job means they are choosing a what tools. Suppose data warehousing technology is there. Data warehousing technology is there. In this one, actually, sources are there. Different database data is there actually. Now let's coding very easy. Now here these data they are retrieving and okay, maybe Oracle, maybe SQL Server, maybe DB2 like this. Their resources are there. From that one, they are storing a what data into where data warehouse. Whole app applications. This one. Don't worry. These are all the things you don't have. Now, in this case, from the source into where the staging area or data warehousing, we are dragging and dropping the what data means. Here, ETL programmers are required. ETL, extraction, transformation, loading, programmers are required. ETL tools they are learning. That's why so many fellows are ETL tools one worldwide they are learning only. Very easy tools, this one. Minimum basic low level SQL knowledge is enough. PLSQL also not required. That much of easy these tools. Maybe so much of highest salaries also there. Actually, so many fellows are your colleagues are anywhere working means in a old and persons. Informatica is a tool is there. That tool they are learning. Those persons basic SQL knowledge is required. That's why they are learning a what this course. Again, not only that one. Nowadays, popular tool is there. Maybe anybody having idea? Very good. Talent is the ETL tool is there. Talent is a tool some fellows are learning only. Okay, once good at SQL basic knowledge, then they are learning the tools. These are ETL tools. Again, once the data warehousing data is there, then this data is okay. So now generating a what reports. That's why reporting tools programmers are there. This is very easy compared to ETL tools also. Reporting tools are that easy. Nowadays, so many fellows are Power BI they are learning no? In SQL Server related Power BI so much of okay, very fastest way getting a job, so maybe 1 year back only. But now I don't know. So now here Power BI tool they are learning. That is a reporting tool. Simple. Basic SQL knowledge is required, but SQL server programmers they are using only. And now 1 minute observed here. That's why always so many fellows are interested to learn a what ETL tools. So now ETL programmers actually extraction, transformation, loading programmers in a software company side. These persons only basic SQL, everywhere basic SQL, basic SQL knowledge is required. Plus one ETL tool they are learning only. In a ETL tool, their own wish. ETL tool they are learning. In a suppose you are a first time newcomer, what is ETL tool? You don't know. Also, YouTubes are there. No, just 1 minute you are typing a what? What is ETL tool? Which ETL tool? Anything you are typing means within 5 minutes you are understandable. Nothing. Oh, this is going on. What is what? Here in this one, observe here in ETL tools, so many fellows are which ETL tool? Okay, so now here in a olden days, Informatica is a ETL tool is there. Again, nowadays Talent is a tool is there, but olden days another tool is there. Nowadays less jobs are there. Don't worry. That is data stays. Maybe your colleagues or your relatives are working in this area also. Data stays is a tool. Those persons also minimum basic SQL they are learning. SQL knowledge, Oracle SQL knowledge. Again, another type of programmers. This is also easiest job. Compared to ETL, little bit of difficult in a PLSQL. Compared to PLSQL, these type of things are difficult. Actually, Java, .NET, Python means front end is very difficult, but back end is very easy. Database is very easy. PL SQL developer side means maybe okay, they are interested technology means little bit of coding. Okay, yeah, easily getting a job because competition is very less. Here means so many opportunities are there in a worldwide, but salaries are high. That is the advantage. Basic SQL enough in a tools, maybe in a outside you are learning means easily you are getting a job. So many fellows are 1 year, 2 years gap is there after academic. They are learning these type of courses, according to my experience. Now again, some fellows are not interested in ETL tools also. Again, compared to ETL tools, yes, your easiest job they want. They doesn't want coding only. Yes, jobs are available. What is that one? Means best way reporting tools. Reporting tools are are called business analysts. Reporting tools they are learning only. Those persons are also called as business analysts. This is easy job compared to where any job also. Coding is very less only. Here, these persons also interview purpose, basic SQL knowledge is required. These are all the things interview purpose only. Basic SQL knowledge is required. Plus, here in a reporting tool, they are learning only. Reporting tool, they are learning in outside. Which tools they are learning means actually anybody having idea? Oracle related Tab View nowadays latest. Tab View is a tool is there. There's GUI tools, nothing very easy. What is going on? You are learning also getting a job. In a where quick queue is a tool is there. Compared to quick queue, tab view popular. Quick queue is a tool is there. Again, another one, so many fellows are getting a job compared to tab view, quick queue also. Power BI, this is a popular tool. But Power BI, okay, I am preferring for Power BI. Anybody interested to learn reporting tool means better to go for SQL server, not my classes. These classes are Oracle related. Okay, yeah. SQL server better to learn because that is a Microsoft product only compared to where Oracle. Okay, na? Yes. Again, some other fellows, Murali sir, I don't want reporting tools also. I don't want ETL tools also. I don't want that much of little bit of coding also. I don't want development side. I am not interested, but I want to get a job, good salaries. I want means best way. Another best way is there, testing tools. This is best way. Any type of person also learning theoretically. Here, testing tools are there. So many fellows having idea, no? Testing tools. These persons are okay. So no, manual testing they are telling only in this course, and also automation testing they are telling. But most of the 80% of the companies manual testing mandatory. Okay. Senior most programmers means automation, that is QTP is there olden days, but nowadays, so no Selenium testing is there. Don't worry. And now here, but these persons interview purpose they are learning what SQL enough interview purpose basic SQL enough basic SQL. But so many fellows are doesn't know SQL, but they are getting a job in a testing tools only. Okay, I'm observing. Okay, but in a project side, SQL is knowledge is very helpful. Database tester means very less okay competition. Those type of situation very advantage only. But my point of view, generalized way, interview purpose only basic SQL knowledge is required. Basic in SQL, either Oracle SQL or SQL Server SQL, MySQL SQL, anything. And also testing tools, they're learning only testing tools course is there, no? In that one manual testing, automated testing, this is easiest job compared to any other job because coding is not there, no? This is not a developer job. Testing testers are required anywhere project side also. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, another one, another type of jobs. So many fellows are they are interested in only database. Difficulty also they are interested. Those persons are better to learn what Oracle apps. This is difficult, really. I'm agree. Oracle apps is there. That is the ERP. Same like SAP ERP is there, no? Popular ERP, this one. But this is a little bit of difficult. Why? Because this one you are interested to what means basic SQL knowledge is required plus strong PLSQL is required. Strong PLSQL. Medium level also you are unable to handle. Strong PLSQL knowledge is required plus developer 2000 D2K knowledge is required. And also modules are there HR, okay, AP, AR, GL, HRMS. This type of functional knowledge is required. That's why so much of okay, syllabus you have an idea, then only you are getting a job outside. That's why so many fellows are fresher level they are selecting in a where college days only. Now here then okay, campus interviews they are selecting, then they are providing a training in a company side, because outside all these knowledges means difficult actually. They're learning not properly, because who are good at what properly, okay, working professionals are there, they are those persons only explaining what real-time concepts in a way this area at least. That's why outside person, uh, very less jobs they are getting in a Oracle apps only. Okay, yeah, competition is very less, I'm agree, but difficult outside. Next, observe here, suppose not only computer students, so many pharmacy students are there. B pharmacy, M pharmacy is there. No? Those persons are learning a course SAS. Computer side they are interested in SAS. In that SAS only, here Oracle Clinical is there. In that one, yes, basic SQL knowledge is required. Plus PLSQL basic knowledge is required. Same SQL PLSQL they are good means they are easily getting a job. Easy, that easy. SAS only. Again, another type of jobs are available. What is that one means? Nowadays, latest trends only. Full stack developers. You have an idea, no? Java full stack, .NET full stack, Python full stack. These full stack developers, 100% they are learning what? Database, any database, Oracle or SQL Server or DB2, anything. Because that is a mandatory, but basic level enough. But in this course only, they are telling about maybe any database, not required to learn separately, because you want more strong knowledge means separately learn it. Okay, yeah. Otherwise, maybe full stack development side, maybe in outside institutes only, they are telling about in that course only this one. But here I am telling about a depth only in a Oracle side, because database oriented jobs they want, what they want means this course is very helpful. Next, again, another type of programmers in a future technology, future side, always AI. Everyone knows. Maybe after 2 or 3 okay, every years after also so much of you are also AI programmers in a future. Chat GPT, AI, latest technology, no? And also not only that one, data science. These two technologies plays a major important role in a future. Whenever anybody data science side, okay, they want to settle in a way, data science means 100% they are learning a what in a database. And also Python course is there, no? Yeah, they like that. Yes, 100% they want to learn a what properly Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL in a database, plus one front end is required. This type of programmers also plays a major important role in a future industry side. The next, another type of programmers in a middleware, okay, last 5 years back onwards, plays a major important role. Big data. Anybody have an idea? Big data. That is big data applications. One of the popular applications. One of the popular course is there. Which one? Hadoop. Hadoop. Who are Hadoop? They are learning means compulsory basic SQL knowledge is required. Basic SQL knowledge is required. That's why different areas side. Everywhere database is required. That's why so many fellows are at least minimum queries writing, they are practicing only, and they are attending an interview. Any technology you are learning also, minimum basic is required. You are not working in a database also, basic vocational knowledge is required. Again, you are not interested in a where, okay, these type of software courses. But so many fellows are 2 years, 3 years gap in a way means ERPs they are interested. Easy, no? ERP. Now Oracle apps is difficult, but another ERP is there, SAP. In a SAP HANA is there. In a SAP only HANA is there in that ERP. In that one, mandatory to know basic SQL. In that basic SQL language, views is a concept is there. That is 100% they want on views. That much powerful. Okay, some concepts, some type of person's purpose helpful. Again, those persons also, SAP HANA programmers also separately they are learning what courses, because those persons are not good at what basic views, joins, those things properly not telling. That's why maybe separately they are learning a course like this. Again, another type of programmers, they doesn't want any coding. That's why administrators are there. Suppose they are interested in a where Oracle DBA, Oracle database administrator, SQL server DBA, MySQL DBA. These persons also interested to learn a what basic SQL is enough. Senior most DBA means more strong knowledge is required. Otherwise, basic SQL enough only. That's why here different types of jobs are there. Anywhere also this course is very helpful in a software industry side. So now here check it out. In those classes, I'm telling only Python, Java, PHP based applications, backend. This is Oracle SQL Server, MySQL backend. They are learning Oracle basic. 2 years, 3 years gap is there. Then PLSQL developer jobs they are applying means PLSQL they are learning. In that one, basic SQL is enough. In a ETL developer, extraction, transformation, loading developers are required. That is a GUI developer, simple drag and drop only. Basic SQL plus any ETL tools, Informatica, Talent, Dash, Stage, your own wish. Any one tool is enough. Okay, yeah. You are only choosing a career. Again, business analyst, another type of jobs are there in a company side. Report programmer, basic SQL plus reporting tool, Tableau, Power BI. Okay, this one. I am forgetting only Oracle Cloud is there, ERP. In that ERP side also basic SQL and also cloud okay technology. They are telling only that we are learning. Again, Oracle apps means difficult, strong PLSQL knowledge is required. Data science, Hadoop, big data side, basic SQL enough. In a testing tool side, basic SQL is enough. SAP side, HANA side, SQL knowing basic enough. And DBA jobs means Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, MySQL DBA means at least a basic SQL knowledge is required. That's why what type of jobs, why I am telling means here course is so much of syllabus is there, but all the syllabus not required for all the type of persons. Some type of persons are learning a what some concepts strongly. Some other type of persons are learning a what another concepts strongly. Remaining what is what you have an idea means enough. Because nowadays so many fellows are very easy way they are getting a what jobs in aware software side. How means interview point of view they are preparing. Suppose you are attending an interview. Suppose Java, okay, so Informatica tool is there. For example, you are learning a course Informatica. You are not required to learn all the concepts in a where in a database. Or maybe Informatica side, which type of inter questions you are okay, interview are asking, you have an idea. Maybe YouTube, so you are observing means you have an idea. Or one or two interviews you are attending means you are understandable. Those concepts only you are preparing in a net enough. Suppose partitions concept, queries concepts, and also joins concept, merge statement, stored procedure. Like this, only some concepts are there. Those concepts only you are concentrating enough. All the things not required. The remaining, what is what you have an idea of? Yes, whenever okay, you are joining in a company, whenever necessary, those concepts means in that case you are preparing better because there is quick learning, smart learning nowadays. Because olden days means 10 years back, 15 years back, so many fellows are every concept one by one, they are learning only. Because in those days, different. But nowadays, technology is different. They want fastly getting a job is also important. That's why some fellows are their own learning also. Okay, maybe some notes as they are purchasing, video classes they are purchasing. Otherwise, when in a net through their own way, minimum knowledge is there, their own way they are learning. Yes, not a problem. Your intellectual skills in a way, basic knowledge based only because it will take a put a effort more efforts only you are spending a more time on the way technology then may be possible, but a lecturers means like me okay experienced person means oh this is the way you are learning, this is that one, these are the concepts are there we are telling means time saving also and also very quick learning fast learning only because anybody giving the guidance or anything because we are experienced persons, that's all. But all are okay so no compulsory putting efforts on the where getting a job is important compared to getting a knowledge. Knowledge means always Okay, more knowledge is there means more advantage, more confidence level is different actually. But through the projects you are okay implementing your skills also better. Outside job oriented, you have to prepare it. Once you are joining a company, time is there. Which technology, which concepts they are using, those concepts you are prepare it. And also, okay, maybe half an hour or anything daily, 1 hour you are preparing your own way means your skills improve purpose. The time you are spending means then automatically totally different. That's why so many fellows are they are okay learning like that. Okay, otherwise outside you are learning so much of subject means time is also most powerful, most important. Yeah. Next, that's why in our classes, so many fellows are parallelly they are attending one class CSQL they are attending, PLSQL maybe after PLSQL also they are understandable they are attending evening 7 o'clock. So many fellows are still they are attending what recently PLSQL 6 or 7 by the students are attending only because they want quick learning. Okay, yeah. So fastly, what is what they have an idea means then easily getting a job on. Okay, yeah. These type of jobs are there. That's why anywhere also this course is very helpful only. What is database, how many types of structures and what are the rules are there, those are all the things next demo class side I will tell you. After that one we are starting a regular sessions. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for attending this demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, yeah. 1 or 2 days only demo because they are requesting only. Okay, yeah. After that one we are starting only. Now one fellow is asking only, okay, Mali, you are asking, Murali sir, Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, Postgres, and all other which database is more demanding in market means Oracle, especially because so many different areas Oracle they're using only. Okay, na? Yeah. And Diwali holidays means management announcing only. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, na? Because these are first initial classes. So, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. Thank you so much for attending those classes. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you.